Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are going to see the live trading video which you have placed today, and this is done basically to handhold and also to guide so that me and you are all on the same track. And even if you are working professional, I want to prove that you can just finish your trade in 2 minutes and you can relax for the day. You'll be getting your pocket money easily of 1500 to 2000 every day. So average being in profit in the month. There will be losses also, but the average has to be in profit. So I'll be showing today's live trading video how you have to place it, how you have to exit, how you have to place your target, stop loss, everything will be shown in this video, and I'll also show you how you can place it within less than 2 minutes and you can relax for the day and concentrate on your work. So before going forward, people who are watching the channel for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button. You'll be getting lots of videos on commodities and equities available both in English as well as Hindi. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let us go to today's live trading video. So today the stock selected was Tata Steel. Okay, so let me also place the order in the group so that everybody who are taking the calls can place the order. Yeah, so add Tata Steel features, sell at 546.75, target and stop loss is 2. Okay, so let me also place my trade because even I have to make my money for the day so that I can relax. 546.75, I'll keep a small buffer of 20 paisa, which is I think required. Okay, 25 paisa, target and stop loss is 2. So you can see that I have placed the order. It is coming as trigger pending. It is not a current market price. Always you have to enter at an advanced level. Okay, let me keep the same thing. Keep 20 paisa buffer. Otherwise what happens is if there is a sudden movement, then you might not get the entry price and the stock value also is a little higher. Okay, so let us keep 20 paisa buffer between trigger price and the price, and this is just for safety purpose. Okay friends, so this is how you can see that order is placed. I don't have to place order again for target and stop loss and all those things. I am done for the day. I don't have to look into the screen again and again for placing the stop loss and target. So let us see at 11 o'clock there was some time, that is why I looked into the screen, and let me just see. So you can see that Tata Steel entry of 546.40 was completed, and then our target also was completed at 544.570 and our stop loss was cancelled. So I did not do anything else extra friends. It was just a bracket order available in Upstock and Zerodha. So you can just place a bracket order or an OC order with a stop loss limit. You don't have to look into the screen again and again. So you're done for the day. You saw me just hardly keeping trade within 1 minute, and then you can see the profit. So where is Tata Steel? Yeah. So you can see that Tata Steel, the profit of 2122 is done. You can see that the buy average price was 544.70, sell average price was 546.70, and the target is done for the day. Very simple, very beautiful, and you can relax for the day. You don't have to look into the screen again and again. And this is a specialty of my 2-minute strategies for working professional. In case if you also want to subscribe it or avail the service, want to try it out, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525, or also you can learn the strategy and you can trade yourself. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.